Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to send one-time view pictures on Messenger. This is a super handy feature if you want to share something privately without leaving a permanent trace. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Messenger app on your phone. And once you are on Messenger, select the chat where you wanted to send the picture. And once you are here, you will see a small picture icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you find it, tap on it. And now select the picture from your gallery. After selecting the picture, you have to tap on Edit. And you will see an option that says Keep in Chat. Just tap on that. And now you will see the option is changed to View Once. Now just tap Send. And your one-time view picture is on its way. And that's it. Sending one-time view pictures on Messenger is super easy and perfect when you wanted to share something securely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.